Right, welcome to my 1987 Volkswagen Caddy pickup Mark 1. Picked it up last Thursday, it's Friday now. Just rolled it forward, so we'll start him up in a minute, see if he starts for the first time in over a week. It was up for sale for a few weeks. When I messaged the previous owner, struck a deal, and I went up and picked it up and drove 45 miles without missing a beat. As you can see, it's a ratty one. I say ratty, it's solid. Got MOT, cheap insurance. I put on my multi-car insurance and paid an extra £37.40 just to add it to my fleet. Superb. Not only that, I'm thinking next April he's tax and MOT exempt. Being in 1987, God, that'll be a big time, because I'm paying what, £33 a month tax it would be. His stock height, he was a gardener, hence the way it looks. And I'll show you the bed in a minute, because it's alley checker plate. But the long-term plan is to lower it, obviously. Paint-wise, not too sure. Just wipe it down, ratty, bare metal, I don't know. A lot going through my head. Been away for a week and it's the first time I've seen it properly, really. The light bar will be going. And today, what's arriving in the post is a one-piece grill with one headlamp, like my old caddy. I passed my caddy on to my mate, and it's just got the single headlamp, look. So yeah, I could have swapped them over, but no, not that mean. I paid £100 for a mint headlamp grill with I think it's got like a front spoiler on top as well, bonnet spoiler. £100 all in, cracking deal. Now also, I'm going to go for the chrome bumpers. VW Heritage do them new for about 145 without the ends. You're looking at about £190 all in. And the rear, I'm going to do away with the bumpers, I think. I haven't checked yet. No, they ain't got the roll pan. You can get roll pan here, so I'll make my own there. The covers, so yeah, these will go. Looks like I'm gonna have to put a number plate light up. Tailgate's not too bad, it's got the handle. It's been battered and bashed, but not rusty. A good decent one, love it. There alone, a few £100, 250, I don't know. But yeah, I'll do away with the toolbar, I don't want anything like that. But the worst bit is the rust. I haven't looked. I did peel it back a little bit, but taking off the band-aid, and that's not too bad there. And there we go. Yeah, I can fix all that. I think the other side's worse, but the tape makes it a little bit worse. But it does come with a repair panel that covers all this. Show you in a minute. It's about here. That's the only thing. Oh, this one's more crustier, won't it? So when I start to peel back up there, yeah, it's not too bad. What? Huh. Fan-dabby dozy. Yeah, we've got a little bit of rust there. Oh wow. Oh, you can see here it's bubbling. No doubt that'll need a patch, but wow. Happy bloody days. So I've been away for a week. It's the first time I've seen this one here. Absolutely love it. With it being tax MOT exempt, hopefully next year we'll have a nice bloody truck and take the parts to and fro home. You know, like engines, just smack them in. Have you? Yeah, here's the tailgate, look. Well, sorry, inside the tailgate I was going to say. Yeah, come out straight. This is that repair panel. Get on. Get on. See the grass cuttings in there, look, but that's the old, the bed. Not too bad. It's growing on me. Maybe paint it black for a minute. Because I would like the wooden floors. Yeah, that could work. Black for a minute. And bare metal. Now, driving it, I couldn't see a damn thing out the wing mirror, out the mirror. Because of this plastic bloody window he put in guard. Now that's going, but he has got a sliding window, which I absolutely love. It's a 1.6 diesel engine. We'll have a look in a minute. Seats I'm changing to my Mark 1s over there, even though these are Mark 1 caddies. I bought them extra over there, and they're coming in. Plus the steering wheel. I've already said to Scott I'm changing the steering wheel. This is a bloody pop-off thing. But no, losing this. The radio works, but I need an area. I've got to order one. Yeah, it's going to need a good clean up. But I thought it was a lot worse in here. You know, when you pick it up, go away for a week on holiday and come back and think, oh, it needs this, that and the other. Yeah, it's got a funny old horn. I want to make this nice in here. So, better seats. Clean up the dash, have it mint in here. But as you can see, like, you can see the wing mirror. And the wing, I keep saying the windshield. What? The rear window. Oh, that's open there because of the light out there. But that's going that plastic screen. Headlining's all good. I love banger racing. I love banging, but not racing. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess there. Obviously, that's the wiring for this horn he's wired in. But Rich, the previous owner's superb. Hopefully buying a load of spares off him as well. But there he is, my 1987 VW Caddy. I've got a couple wheels. I may chuck on ATS Classics once they're lowered. But I absolutely love it. Oh yeah, let's see if he starts after 7-8 days. Oh, hey Stan. He has done, it says 71,000 mile. Whether that's 171, I do not know. Right. On the way home when I drove it, the light stayed on, the glow plug light. So I've bought a set of 4 glow plugs anyway. I think they're 15 quid. So might as well just bit of a pumpy diesel. And there you go. Squeaky fan belt, which I've got on order. Squeaky fan belt, so I've got a new one coming from VW Heritage. Typical diesel. See, the light stays on. Absolutely love it. Reason why I bought it was I've got a project over there and another Mark 1. That one there, I've just passed on to Scott with a yellow one as well. And yeah, it saves me doing another project. This would be like a rolling project. So yeah, keep it as it is for a minute. Do all my parts home. That's the plan. And hopefully, like I said, tax exempt next year. That'll be a bonus. Tax MOT exempt. Absolutely bonus if it is. If it's a year, then I've got to put it through another MOT. It's got 8 months MOT. Let show you some of the stickers. It's not leaking oil, it's sweating power. Wow, 1.6 diesel. I do like the stickers. Mate come round last Friday and love them. There's one naughty one here. I think old Richard liked old banger racing. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, I locked this. Yeah, I locked it before I went last Friday. But I want to take this off. God, look at the bar, look, bloody shit. I may leave that till tomorrow. Come with some books. Engine pops. Let's take a look at this beast. 1.6. I don't know if it's got a big Hemi in there or a big turbo. Be nice, wouldn't it? I'm not one for engines. Right, let me plonk you down. And flip the bonnet. Right, I'm still here. There you go. Right, I've got bought an air filter. It needs a good cleaning here, look. Yeah, I got air filter that'll fit that. There he is, 1.6. It's no power steering, so you need a bit of arm muscle to get it turning around. I just thought I'd do a quick video before I not go to town on it, just rolling wrestle. You know what rolling wrestle, yeah, you just do bits at a time. I'm losing them wheel trims for a start. I like stick wheels, but I don't like them fake wheel trims. There going, one's lost anyway, but I prefer steel wheels. I'll quickly show you the wheels I'm on about. I've got a set of teddy bears you've seen in a previous video I may put on. That water there, that was sitting in there, so nothing to worry about. I've got the set of ATS Classics. I brought one out with me last week, and ATS cups they are. I think that'll be, if them tyres are good, I'm laughing. Yeah, let's get them on, eh? I've got the other 3 at home in the garage, so I'm thinking them, to be honest. I've got the teddy bears, so we've got 2. One for summer, one for winter. But them hubcaps have got to go, and they are shocking. Oh, Mrs. followed me home from Exeter. It's doing 60, it's slow. I don't mind that because it's not burning diesel, are you? So there he is. Bargain. Absolutely love it. All the lights work, indicators, etc. And he just started up for the first time in 8 days. Bit of ding there, look. We'll knock that out. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Buy me a coffee, Amazon if you want to support me. Yeah, absolutely love this thing. I'll keep it standard for a minute. I'm looking into lowering it. See how the air ride suspension or coilovers. I don't know. I had one of these 25 years ago. Had it for a year or so before they got popular, but now you can't buy one for less than £5 grand, even in this condition. And I got this one cheap-ish. Yeah, love it. So with that, I'll see you on the next one. Andy Coco, over and out. Bye, boys.